Here's the motor. I had to bring it in today because it's completely snowy outside. So I've got a few things that I put back on it. I got a new filter. Took me a while to figure out that one, but I got it. New cylinders are in. I've got the painted block together with the new oil pan. The engine now turns pretty freely. I mean, I won't try it right now because everything is a little bit frozen, but I'm okay because my friend here has a beautiful garage with the heat, but I'm just now going through the heads and cleaning off all the valves, cleaning the valve guides, the valve seals are hard as rock, so I'm putting new ones in, and I'm lapping in the valves a bit. So, and that's what I'm about to do right now, is lap in the valves. I just made it sound like I know what I'm talking about, but I don't. I was shown how to do this by my buddy, who's kind of shepherding me a little bit through this process. Put a little bit of grinding compound on the lip of the, slide the valve back into place. Take a drill, pull back slightly on it. Let's see if we got her. Looks good. Let me test it. Okay, looks good.